Meaning of Frankenstein food.
Frankenstein food.
Frankenstein food.
Frankenstein food.
Frankenstein food. The term Frankenstein food is commonly used to refer to genetically modified, GM, foods or genetically engineered foods. These are foods that have had their DNA altered in a laboratory to give them desirable traits, such as resistance to pests or diseases. Some people are concerned about the potential health and environmental risks associated with GM foods and believe that they pose a threat to human health and biodiversity. However, supporters argue that these crops can help to increase yields and improve nutrition, particularly in developing countries where food security is a concern.